All right, perfect. Oh, nice. Yes. Well, formally, from myself, good morning, everyone, or as we say in crypto, GM. And really a warm welcome to the second edition of ETHSofia, the pearl jewel of Eastern European crypto conferences, guys. Come on. I want to feel the energy. So I would really want to thank each and every one of you for not going to Korea. And maybe you don't know, but it's like we have Korea Blockchain Week happening, and we have an overlap a little bit with Sofia Crypto Meetup, and we had a lot of people going to Korea. So thank you guys for not going to Korea, and instead supporting ETHSofia. In the end, we do this for you. We want you to get inspired, to meet the European crypto crowd and discover projects and opportunities. And although I enjoy going to some of the larger global crypto events quite a lot, I believe in the value of regional ones, such as ETHSofia, where the main event is actually the main event. Here we have only one primary location where everyone meets, and you are in it currently. It's called Jonathan Alsop Innovation Center. If you have an event plan, it's just about who you want to meet, not where to meet them and how to go there. And I think that's valuable. And actually, I'm not alone. Some of the good part of the feedback that we received last year was about the more genuine connections that attendees and speakers were able to form in this boutique setting of ETHSofia. So size does matter, but when it comes to events, it goes both ways. So it's only a 2-day event, so make sure you make the most of it. Meet people in the real world and not on Telegram, where we usually meet, interact with them, and see what happens. We have tried to make this experience as smooth as possible for you. And now a few thoughts about Ethereum and the crypto space in general. I'm not sure if you realize it. I guess you do to some extent since you're here. But we are at an inflection point. And I'm sure you have heard this before in the years past, but it's actually happening. The Ethereum ecosystem is no longer a playground for niche financial innovation. It's now the infrastructure that will power the next technological upgrade of the global financial system. And to quote Larry Fink from BlackRock, every stock, every bond, every fund, every asset can be tokenized. If they are, it will revolutionize investing. And I can only add one thing: every asset will be tokenized. And that will happen on many permissionless blockchain networks, but mainly on the most neutral, decentralized, programmable, reliable, low-risk network with proven track record of developer excellence and a community of culture, the community culture actually reflecting the early cyberpunk ideals. And in 2025, that network is only one, and that's Ethereum. So I want to urge you to join the revolution, if you haven't already, and become part of this movement. Educate yourselves and prepare yourselves, because the future belongs to the brave and open-minded. Ethereum is doing to finance what Bitcoin is doing to money. Be part of the disruption, don't get disrupted. Finally, I want to thank the ETHSofia team for really fighting for over 8 months to make this event happen. Thank you, Tina, Marty, Ivana, Steffi, Eli, Sally, Ilya, and of course, a big thank you to all the sponsors, Thank you for the trust and for the support. And that's all from me for now. I'll be back here for the DeFi panel at 3:45. I yield the stage to Professor Dr. Dimitar Dimitrov, Rector of the University of National and World Economy. Thank you very much.